What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to take a look at the Groove Wallet by Groove Life. Some pretty cool topo packaging here. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up here. See what we got. It looks like some, okay, very, very cool. It's just packaging. Move that out of the way. So there we go. We got some nice topo packaging. Born in Alaska, built in Tennessee. Very cool. Nice tin case. Okay. Yeah. Alright. A little smaller than I figured. The packaging is nice. Got a nice topo packaging kind of going on there. Very cool. Now I did opt for the leather, black leather section here. You can get it also with just a money clip if you want a money clip. Ooh, this sucker's hard to get out of there. Okay, fake credit card, alright. So this does hold 6 credit cards and is push to slide. So okay. So let's get some credit cards. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is what it says it will hold. So goes in like that. There we go, 6. Alright. Okay, yeah. Pretty evenly just pushed them out there. Very cool. Yeah. It could use to be a little bit of machining here would probably really help get a little, because it is a slick surface, but it does seem to work really good. Let's just try one. I'm just kind of curious because of how one would work. Doesn't fall out. Yeah, because I've cut back and I only usually carry 1 or 2 credit cards these days. So yeah, so it works and gets it nice and evenly pushed out there. Takes a little getting used to, but yeah, it's kind of very fidgety. This little tab right here prevents them from coming out. Kind of holds them in. It kind of hooks them so it can't come out. That's why I was kind of curious if just one card would get at just the right angle and maybe like kind of like what it's doing and would come out, but it doesn't seem to come out, so until you want it to. Then of course over here you got this nice elastic band. You can put your cash there and then your ID in here, which is kind of what I was planning on doing, is sticking my ID in there, my cash in there, and got your credit cards here. So very, very cool. That's very cool. Like I said, each time pops them out nice and evenly. Very fidgety. So yeah, very cool. I look forward to checking it out a lot more. And of course, if you do decide to change your mind from the leather and go to the pocket clip, they do just unscrew from 4 different positions, and you can put the money clip on, so you can have the money clip. You can get the money clip and the leather and swap them out as you go along in case you change your mind. So very, very cool. That is the Groove Wallet by Groove Life. Check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you next time.